Welcome to Flying Wombat TV, the channel where it's all about making fun and creative styles of beer with science and biotechnology involved. So myself and the man behind the camera have backgrounds in biotech from UTS, and we really love beer. So we dedicate this channel to making really fun and creative styles of beer, using scientific principles and taking you guys through the whole process. So we do brew days, beer reviews, experimental beers, weird batches, mean beers, and anything in between, pretty much whatever we feel like and whatever you guys want to see. So if you're feeling generous, give us a like and a subscribe and come along for the journey. Brew on, guys.